Welcome to your 60-second guide on caring for aloe vera, nature's soothing healer. First, remember, aloe vera thrives under plenty of indirect sunlight, so place it near a sunny window but not directly under the sun's rays. Next, watering. Aloe vera prefers dry soil, so water it sparingly. Once every 2 weeks should do the trick, but ensure the topsoil is completely dry before you add more water. Thirdly, the soil. A well-draining potting mix is essential. Try a mix of equal parts cactus soil and perlite for the perfect balance. Finally, the temperature. Aloe vera loves warmth, but can't tolerate frost. Keep it in a spot where the temperature stays between 60 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, a happy aloe vera plant means soothing relief is always at hand. So, follow these tips and keep your green friend thriving. Your aloe vera plant is not just a pretty face, but a home pharmacy in a pot. Enjoy the journey of caring for it.